Good morning, dear students. Today we solve exercise 7.1 from question number 5th. Here in question number 5th it is given, in a classroom 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C, D shown in the figure. Champa and Chameli walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks to Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagree. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. These are the position of 4 friends A, B, C, D in a class. One friend asked to another friend that, "Do you think that ABCD is a square?" एक फ्रेंड ने दूसरी फ्रेंड से क्या बोला कि ABCD एक स्क्वायर बनना है, क्या आप ऐसा सोचते हो? तो हमें ये चेक करना है. वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट ABCD इज अ स्क्वायर और नॉट. सो हाउ वी चेक इट? फर्स्ट वी राइट डाउन द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ A. द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ A इज 1 2 3 3, देन 1 2 3 4. एक्स एक्सिस पे 3, वाई एक्सिस पे 4. तो कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ A इज 3, 4. कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ B is 6, 7. Coordinate of C is 9, 4. And coordinate of D is 6, 1. First we write down coordinates. Then we find out distance by using distance formula. We find out the distance from A to B. So which formula we apply? We apply distance formula. AB equal to under root 6 minus 3 square, 7 minus 4 square, under root 6 minus 3 3 square, 7 minus 4 3 square. So 3 square 3 square, 2 into 3 square, 3 root 2. Like that we find the distance between BC, CD and DA. These 4 distance, and we also find out the distance of diagonals, means the distance of AC and the distance of BD. Then we observe all 4 distances are equal. The distance between AB, BC, CD and DA are equal. All are 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 3 root 2. And the diagonals, length of the diagonals are also equal. So according to the property of quadrilateral, the quadrilateral in which all sides are equal and 2 diagonals are equal is called square. So ABCD is a square. It means Champa is correct. जो चंपा सोच रही थी वो चंपा कैसा सोच रही थी? करेक्ट. चंपा इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, नेम द टाइप ऑफ quadrilateral formed if any by the following points and give reason of your answer. These are the 4 vertices which are given. We have to prove, we have to form which type of quadrilateral formed by these 4 vertices. So how we solve this sum? We find out the distance. First you let this point is A, second point B, third point C and fourth point as D. Let these are the vertices of quadrilateral. And you find out the distance AB, BC, CD and DA. And you also find out the length of diagonal AC and BD, just like our previous question. We find out all the 4 distances. If these 4 distances are equal, AB equal to BC, equal to CD, equal to DA and AC equal to BD, then it is a square. If AB equal to CD and BC, opposite sides are equal, BC equal to DA and AC does not equal to BD, then if opposite sides are equal and diagonals are unequal, then it is a parallelogram. Next case, if this is the case 1, This is the case 2. This is the case 3. In case 3, if AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, but diagonals are unequal, so it is a rhombus. केस 4 देख लो. केस 4, if AB equal to CD and BC equal to DA and AC equal to BD, साइड्स अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल हैं और डायगोनल्स भी कैसी हैं, इक्वल, तो इट इज अ rectangle. By using distance formula, first we find out the distance between 2 points AB, BC, CD and DA. Then we also find out the distance of the diagonal AC and BD. ठीक है? And we check if all sides are equal, diagonals are equal, then it is a square. If all sides are equal, diagonals are unequal, then it is a rhombus. If opposite sides are equal but diagonals are not equal, it is a parallelogram. In question number 7, find the distance on the x-axis which is equidistant from the point 2, -5 and -2, 9. So how we solve this? First we let A 2, -5, or you write down let P x, 0 is a point on x-axis which is equidistant from A 2, -5 and B -2, 9. So you take a point P and coordinate of P is x, 0. This point is equidistant from 2 points A 2, -5 and B -2, 9. This chapter is very important for examination point of view. In board exam 2020-21, the weightage of this chapter is 4 marks. 4 marks का weightage है अप्रॉक्स 5%. टोटल मार्किंग 80 की होती है और 80 का देखा जाए तो लगभग 5% weightage इसका हो गया. तो आप इम्पॉर्टेंट है, अच्छे से तैयार करें. तो इस क्वेश्चन को समझिए क्या है. एक पॉइंट है कोई एक्स एक्सिस पे, एनी पॉइंट इज ऑन एक्स एक्सिस इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x, 0. कोई भी पॉइंट एक्स एक्सिस पे होगा तो ऑलवेज किस फॉर्म में होगा, x, 0. अगर y एक्सिस पे होता कोई पॉइंट तो कौन से फॉर्म में होता, 0, y. इट इज गिवन दैट पॉइंट इज इक्विडिस्टेंस फ्रॉम पॉइंट 2, -5 एंड b -2, 9. द डिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस a to p and b to p is equal. So according to question, AP equal to BP. So we apply distance formula. AP की distance find out कर दो, x -2 whole square plus 0 -5 यानी 0 + 5 whole square. BP x +2 whole square 0 -9 whole square. रूट से रूट कैंसिल कर दीजिए, देन होल स्क्वायर ओपन करिए तो होल स्क्वायर हो जाएगा x² + 2² -2 × x × 2 + 5² इक्वल टू x² + 2² + 2 × x × 2 और प्लस -9². So x² is cancelled from x², 2² is cancelled from 2², -4x + 25 equal to 4x plus 81 Now write down minus 4x is equal to 81 minus 25. तो माइनस 8x इक्वल टू 11 माइनस 5 6 3 56 x इक्वल टू 56 अपॉन माइनस 8. So x इक्वल टू find the value of y for which the distance between the points P 2, minus 3 and Q 10, y is 10 unit. So we find out the value of y. It is given the distance between 2 points is. So we apply distance formula. We write down PQ equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The value of x1 y1, this is the value of x1 y1, this is the value of x2 y2. Now put the value of PQ is 10 unit. Now write down the value of x2, that is equal to 10. 10 minus 2 square plus value of y2 is y and value of the y1 is minus 3, that is equal to plus 3. Root 10 को साइड ले जाएंगे, 10 square equal to 10 minus 2 8 square and this 5 plus 3 is whole square. We write down 10 square minus 8 square is equal to y plus 3 square. 10 square 100, 100 minus 64, that is equal to 36. So y plus 3 whole square is equal to 36 and y plus 3 equal to under root of 36, that is equal to plus minus 6. So y plus 3 equal to plus minus 6. We write down two signs, taking two signs. Take y plus 3 equal to positive 6 and y plus 3 equal to negative 6. एक बार plus 6 ले लीजिए तो y equal to 6 minus 3, y equal to, as PQ is equal to the RQ. So we apply distance formula. We write down 0 minus 5 whole square is equal to plus 1 minus minus 3 यानी 1 plus 3 square is equal to x minus 0 and 6 minus 1. So after solving we get 25, root is cancelled from root. We write down 5 square 25, 1 plus 3 4, 4 square 16 and we write down x square 5 square 25, 25 is cancelled from 25. The value of x is root 16 means plus minus 4. So there are 2 points, so coordinate of R, coordinate of R is x comma 6. So x comma 6 means 4 comma 6 or 4 comma coordinate of R is minus 4 comma 6. एक बार पॉजिटिव साइन अगर यहाँ ले लें तो 4 comma 6 हो जाएगा और अगर नेगेटिव साइन लेते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा minus 4 comma 6. यू ऑल्सो फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस QR. आपको कौन सी डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करनी है? सो QR इक्वल टू QR की डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे, ठीक है, एक पॉइंट के साथ. अब वो पॉइंट आप कौन सा लेते हैं, ये वाला पॉइंट लेते हैं या ये लेते हैं, कोई एक पॉइंट ले लीजिए. तो द डिस्टेंस QR, सपोज मैं लिख देता हूँ यहाँ QR, Q की वैल्यू मैंने लिख ली 4,6, R की वैल्यू 4,6 और Q की वैल्यू फिक्स है 0,1. तो डिस्टेंस निकाल दो. डिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगी 4 माइनस 0, 6 माइनस 1. सॉल्व करेंगे. 4 स्क्वायर प्लस 5 स्क्वायर 16 प्लस 25 ऐड कर दीजिए. 5 6 3 4 41. वी ऑल्सो फाइंड आउट if R is minus 4,6 then distance, तो डिस्टेंस निकाल देना QR की. क्या हो जाएगी, Q का पॉइंट तो यही रहेगा, R की वैल्यू हो जाएगी minus 4,6. तो डिस्टेंस QR minus 4 minus 0 स्क्वायर 6 minus 1 स्क्वायर 4 स्क्वायर मीन 60, 5 का 25 root 41. Now you also find out distance PR. PR की डिस्टेंस और निकालनी है, तो PR की डिस्टेंस निकालने के लिए फॉर्मूला आप लोग अप्लाई करेंगे. P और R. P और R की कोऑर्डिनेट गिवन है. कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ P इज़ -5, 3, 5, -3 एंड R कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ R. कोऑर्डिनेट R क्या हो जाएगा, कोई भी पॉइंट ले सकते हैं, 4,6 या -4,6. 4,6. Then you find out the distance PR, or another way you take the point 5, -3 and coordinate of R as negative -4,6. You find a relation between x and y such that the point x, y is equidistant from 3,6 and -3,4. So here we write down, let P x, y is a point which is equidistant from A 3,6 and B -3,4. Take this point as a P, x, y, which is equidistant from 2 points A 3,6, B -3,4. It is given these two distances are equal, so we write down AP equal to, according to question, AP equal to BP. So x -3 whole square plus y -6 whole square equal to x plus 3 whole square, y -4 whole square. Now this root is cancelled from this root. Then we write down whole square of x is x square plus 3 square minus 2 into x into 3, then y square plus 6 square, 2 into y into 6, x square, right side x square plus 3 square, 2 into x into 3 plus y square plus 4 square, 2 into y into 4, x square and 3 square is cancelled from x square, 3 square, minus 6x, y square is cancelled from y square. We write down -6, 36 minus 12y is equal to 6x plus 16 minus 8y. ट्रांसफ़र कर देंगे, -6x -12y -6x plus 8y, 16 minus 36, 36 को इस साइड लेके आओ, तो 6x minus 12x minus 12y 8y minus 4y equal to -20. Now we take -4 as a common, so we write 3x plus y equal to -20, 3x plus y